Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I hope everybody is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
okay. Next means this Saturday you have to submit your SST notebooks. Are you all aware about that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Next Saturday को कब है आपका 7th को ना
Yes, ma'am.
7th.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. 7th August.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 7 August. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, आपको मैम इधर दिया हुआ है the working of a sabha according to Uttar Mirror inscription. And ma'am, my book it is written who could be a member of a sabha.
Ah,
The
no problem.
Uttar
No problem. No
Mirror
problem.
inscription lays down.
Okay, okay, now listen. No problem. This is one and the same thing. The question can be asked in simple form. That we can say what is the membership, what all things should be present to become the member of Sabha. But you have to write down this. Okay, no problem. Whatever we are starting in this, the one and the same thing, the working of Sabha. Now here we have to start with inscriptions and text. That means now we'll begin with the topic, the inscriptions and the text. Whatever text our written, the inscriptions we are getting, what knowledge we get from these inscriptions and text. Now here the working of Sabha according to Uttaramerur inscription. Now Uttaramerur inscription, this is these types of inscriptions we get from where Uttaramarur inscriptions. Here we have read about Chengalpur district, Tamil Nadu. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uttaramarur inscriptions of we get it from Chengalpur district, Tamil Nadu. Now here it is the working of Sabha, how the Sabha works, or what is the eligibility to become the member of the Sabha. Now in my book it is written the working of Sabha according to Uttaramarur inscription, and your book might be who could be the member of Sabha, means who all can be the member of the
Yes, ma'am.
Sabha. Answer will be
तो
one
मैम
and the same thing.
आपने इसमें करेक्शन कर लें क्या?
हाँ, कर लो भली करेक्शन, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर इट. क्वेश्चन विल बी दैट
हमने एक ही
एलिजिबिलिटी
है,
फॉर द
मैं
सभा.
देख
हाँ
तो
हाँ, क्वेश्चन आंसर एक ही होगा, एलिजिबिलिटी फॉर सभा.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes.
Now all those who wish to become members of Sabha should be owners of land from which land revenue is collected. Now first and foremost thing, first is that whosoever
Ma'am.
here first sorry.
मैम किसी की वॉइस प्रॉब्लम आ रही है.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your audio off. Everybody keep your audio off. Everybody keep your audio off so that no disturbance is there. So now first you can mark your number 1. Wait. Some problem is there. Okay, no problem. The all those who wish to become members of Sabha should be the owners of land from which the revenue is collected. Now, to become the member of Sabha, it was important that one should be the owner of the land. Means he should have enough of land. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then they should have number 2. You can write down here number 2 point. They should have their own homes. They should have their own homes means even to become the member of the Sabha, the member should have its own home itself. Then only he will be becoming the eligibility, he will have the eligibility to become the member of the Sabha. Clear? So this will be the second point. They should have their own homes. Third point, they should be between 35 to 70 years of age. What will be the age limit to become the member of the Sabha?
35
35 to 70.
Yes, 35 to 70 years. Then next number, fourth. First will be all those. Second will be they should have their own homes. Third will be the age limit. Fourth will be they should have the knowledge of Vedas. Now they should also have the knowledge of Vedas. To become, yes, to become the member of Sabha, those who want to become the member of Sabha, those people should have the knowledge of Vedas also. They should know about the Vedas. Then they should be well versed in administrative matters and honest. They should be honest. Honest means wafadar, है ना? Truthful. The person who wants to become the member of the Sabha should be
Wise man.
trustworthy.
Ma'am, wise man.
हाँ,
Wise man.
ट्रस्टवर्दी, ट्रस्ट करने लायक हो, ठीक है ना, ऑनेस्ट हो, अपने काम में ट्रस्टवर्दी हो, एंड ही शुड बी वेल वर्स्ड इन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मैटर्स. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव मैटर्स भी गवर्नमेंट के मैटर्स में उसको अच्छे से गवर्नमेंट मैटर्स में मीन्स वर्किंग आनी चाहिए. Then only he can become the member of the Sabha. Then 6, if anyone has been a member of any committee in the last 3 years, he cannot become the member of another committee. Now here what will be there? If anybody who has already been the member of any other committee of the Sabha, now different committees of Sabha were there. One committee can look after the gardening, one committee about the administration, one committee about the temples and all. So many committees were formed in Sabha. So if any person who has become the member of another committee of Sabha in the last 3 years, he was not allowed to become now member again. Clear?
मैम ये भी पॉइंट है.
हाँ, ये
मैम
भी
ये भी पॉइंट है.
6th point है. This is the 6th point. Clear?
ओके.
Now
Okay, ma'am.
7th point will be anyone who has not submitted his account as well as those of his relatives cannot contest the election. Now anyone who has not submitted his accounts, किसी ने भी अपना अकाउंट सबमिट नहीं करा है, किसी ने भी अपना अकाउंट सबमिट नहीं किया है, तो एज वेल एज दोज ऑफ हिज रिलेटिव्स, उसके रिलेटिव्स का भी अगर किसी का सबमिट नहीं हुआ है, then cannot contest the election, then that person cannot contest the election. सभा में नहीं खड़ा हो सकता है, मेंबर नहीं बन सकता है. I hope all these 7 points are clear. So these are the 7 points
Yes, ma'am.
to become the member of what? Member of Sabha. Clear?
मैम.
हम 10 है ना.
Ma'am,
डिस्कनेक्ट हो.
7 है बेटा, 7. First is all those who wish to become the member of Sabha should be 7 है
Sabha.
total.
तो
Second is they should have their own home. Third, they should be between 35 to 70. Fourth, they should have knowledge of Vedas. Fifth, they should be well versed in administrative and honest. Sixth, if anyone has been the member of committee in the last 3 years cannot be the member.
मुझे 7th वाला समझ नहीं आया.
7th one is anyone who has not submitted his accounts as well as those of his relatives cannot contest an election. कोई भी अकाउंट है, कोई भी ड्यू बचा है किसी भी पर्सन का, या उसके रिलेटिव्स का कोई भी ड्यूज है, या कोई भी अकाउंट सबमिट नहीं हुआ है गवर्नमेंट में प्रॉपरली, तो ही विल नॉट हैव द राइट टू बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ द सभा. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes,
excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा.
मैम इसमें मैम ओनली मैम ह्यूमन या फिर सॉरी मैम ओनली मैम जेंडर्स में मैम मेल ही ले सकते थे ऐसे मैम.
But anyone, it is here written anyone. Here discrimination is not shown. Here it is clearly written anyone has been the member of, है ना, anyone. All those, they, यहाँ particular mention नहीं किया है whether male or female. While inscriptions tell us about kings and powerful men, here is an extract from Peripuram, the 12th century Tamil work. Now underline this, the 12th century Tamil work. Underline this, which is the 12th century Tamil work? Periyapuram. And according to this, the lifestyle of men and women, ordinary men and women lifestyle is given here. On the outskirts of Adanur was a small hamlet of Pulians. That means एक छोटा सा गांव था, small छोटा सा hamlet means गांव था, particular area था जहां पर Pulians रहते थे. And the name used for a social group considered outcast. This name is given to the person who is considered, people who are considered as outcast. Outcast means जो कि दूसरी कास्ट को बिलोंग करते थे. मीन्स आउटकास्ट मीन्स जो कि मीन्स छोटी लो कास्ट को बिलोंग करते थे. क्लियर? By Brahmanas and Velalas.
Yes.
So Brahmanas, you know, high class people. Velalas, you know, the rich land owners. है ना? तो both are the high class people. उनके द्वारा जो भी लो कास्ट माना जाता था, they used to live in a small village on the outskirts of Adanur. Outskirts means शहर के बाहर एक छोटा सा गांव था, वहां रहते थे ये लोग. Now studied with small huts under old thatches and inhabitants of agrarian laborers engaged in menial occupation, or they were living in small studded huts. Small huts, they were having the thatched roof, कच्ची झोपड़ियों में रहते थे, and they were indulged in agricultural laborer activity. Menial occupation, छोटे मोटे काम जो अपर कास्ट के लिए करते थे, ये लोग करते थे. Now in the thresholds of huts covered with strips of leather, little chickens moved about in groups. Dark children who wore bracelets of black iron were prancing about, carrying little puppies. Now this is the lifestyle of the people as well as the what animals over there. That chickens used to move around in groups. Children who were black, skin color is given black iron, plus they were wearing the black iron, were prancing about carrying their little puppies. छोटे छोटे puppies को लेकर के वो खेलते हुए नजर आते थे. Now in the shade of Murudu, that is Arjuna tree. What is Marudu? It is Arjuna tree. A female laborer put her baby to sleep on the sheet of the
Ma'am?
leather. Yes. Yes, beta. This is the lifestyle given about the outcast people. Outcast people means those who are considered as low caste, and they who are considering them as low caste, Brahmins and Velalas. उनकी lifestyle के बारे में बताया है कि people are engaged living in small thatched roof. They are engaged in agrarian laborers. Agrarian means फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज. उनके बच्चे इधर उधर दौड़ते, जानवर के बच्चों के साथ खेलते कूदते. ठीक है. एंड व्हेन द फीमेल्स वर इन द वर्क, दे यूज्ड टू पुट अ बेबी टू स्लीप ऑन द शीट ऑफ द लेदर शीट पे अपने बच्चों को सुला देती थी वहीं, और वहीं पास में काम करने चली जाती थी. दे वर मैंगो ट्रीज फ्रॉम हुज ब्रांचेस ड्रम्स वर हैंगिंग, एंड अंडर द कोकोनट palms in little hollows on ground tiny headed bitches lay after whelping. मीन्स छोटे छोटे जानवर के बच्चे भी वहां पर, जानवरों ने अपना घर बना रखे थे. हॉलोज ऑन द ग्राउंड मीन्स डिग करके, ग्राउंड डिग करके. बिचेस मीन्स द फीमेल डॉग, उन्होंने अपने घर बना रखे थे. द रेड क्रेस्ट कॉक्स ग्राउंड बिफोर डॉइंग, कॉलिंग द ब्राउन फलियर टू द डेज वर्क, एंड by day under the shade of the kanji tree spread the voice of baby-haired Puliana women singing as they were husking paddy. जब वो पैडी मीन्स जब राइप क्रॉप्स हो जाती है तो वो आराम से गाना गाते हुए बताया है उनकी लाइफस्टाइल वुमेन्स की. ये गाना सिंगिंग, वुमेन सिंगिंग, वहाँ की वुमेन्स गाना गाते हुए वो पैडीज लेके जाती थी बीच. क्लियर? हेलो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Now China under Tang dynasty. China under Tang dynasty. Now this is another, we can say, first let me see any important information. No. Okay, now China under Tang Dynasty. In China, an empire was established under the Tang Dynasty, which remained in power for about 300 years. Now here it is the information given about which dynasty? Information given about which
Tang.
dynasty? Tang
Tang.
Dynasty. And this dynasty was where? In China.
In China.
Clear? So, which remained in power about 300 years. कितने सालों तक वो power में रही this dynasty? इनका रूल टैंग का रूल 300 इयर्स तक, ठीक है, फ्रॉम 7th to 10th सेंचुरी, 7th सेंचुरी से लेके 10th सेंचुरी तक 300 इयर्स तक ये चाइना में इनका रूल टैंग का रूल पावरफुल रहा. Its capital, now the capital of Tang dynasty was Xi'an. Underline this, Xi'an. Xi'an was one of the largest cities in the world. Now this Xi'an was the largest city in the world, visited by Turks, Iranis, Indians, Japanese and Koreans. Japanese, Koreans,
Ma'am, from where to where you have to underline?
You have to underline first that the Tang dynasty was powerful from 7th to 10th century. Then the capital was, you can underline the capital of Tang dynasty as Xi'an. Clear? Then many people from Turks, that Turkey, Iranians from Iran, Indians from India, Japanese from Japan, and Koreans from Korea. So all these people used to visit which place? Xi'an, the capital of Tang dynasty. Clear? The Tang Empire was administered by the bureaucracy recruited through an examination. Now Tang Empire was administered. गवर्नमेंट जो रन किया जाता था टैंग एम्पायर में, इसमें एक रिक्रूटमेंट होता था. दे हैड टू पास एन एग्जामिनेशन टू बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. क्लियर? गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में काम करने के लिए दे हैड टू पास एन एग्जामिनेशन इन टैंग डायनेस्टी. ब्यूरोक्रेसी मीन्स गवर्नमेंट में अपॉइंटमेंट लेने के लिए दे हैड टू पास एन एग्जामिनेशन which was open to all, जो कि सबके लिए ओपन था. who wished to appear for it, जो भी एग्जाम फाइट करना चाहता था गवर्नमेंट पोस्ट के लिए, this examination was open for all. Now this system of selecting officials remained in place with some changes till 1911. Now this selecting of officials remaining in place with some changes till 1911. 1911 तक सेम प्रोसेस रहा रिक्रूटमेंट का. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर चेंज हो गया, बट मेनली थ्रू एग्जामिनेशन दे पीपल हैड टू बी चोजन फॉर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस. आई होप इट इज क्लियर एवरीवन.
Yes, ma'am.
So here comes an end to the lesson. Mark here. Gurjar Pratiharas. First mark 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Gurjar Pratihara number 1. Write down. Gurjar Pratihara number 1. Number 2 Rashtrakutas. Number 3 Palas. And number 4 Cholas. Mark their numbers. यहाँ पर number.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will mark the number same here. Now for Gurjar Pratiharas, which number? Here number 1.
Gujarat and Rajasthan.
Gujarat and Rajasthan. Write down number 1 here. हाँ, write
Yes,
down number
ma'am.
1 here. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Then second number. Rashtrakutas. For Rashtrakutas, which number? Western Deccan.
Ma'am, Western Deccan.
Western Deccan. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
For second, Rashtrakutas, Western Deccan. Marked number 2. Now number
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
For Palas,
ma'am.
number 3.
Ma'am, Bengal.
Bengal. Number 3, Bengal.
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 Bengal will
Ma'am,
be
fourth
marked.
one Tamil Nadu.
Ma'am, fourth one Tamil Nadu.
Yes, number
Ma'am,
4.
2, 3, 1, 4.
2, 3, 1, 4.
2, 3, 1, 4.
Okay. Got it, all the answers?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done.
Okay.
उनके आंसर है
2314. Marked everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Done.
Okay. Wait a second. Now question answers will be given to you in the PDF today.
Okay.
Okay.
In the
Ma'am.
class group, your group on WhatsApp group will also be sent of this lesson, and even on student portal I'm going to upload this question answers of these lessons. I will show it to you just now. Wait. These question answers are there. History chapter 2, New Kings and Kingdoms notes. 9 questions very short. Then short questions will be there. 4, and then long questions will be there. 2.
Two.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it
Okay,
very
ma'am.
neatly. Do it very neatly. All the question answers. Please be careful that no spelling mistake should be there. No spelling mistake should be there. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
whenever the notebooks will be asked, try to submit the notebooks clear, so that at least whatever lessons we are completing, it can be checked on time. I hope it is clear.
Yes,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
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 Okay. Now in next,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, beta.
मैम हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 2 मैम आप कब भेजोगे?
Today itself, beta. Today we have completed the lesson. Today itself, I will
Yes, ma'am.
give this PDF in the group also, and after 1 o'clock. 1 बजे के बाद में
Okay,
submit
ma'am.
करूंगी, and on student portal also. Clear? Then next we are
Okay,
going
ma'am.
to
Thank you.
start with geography lesson number 2. Next we are going to start with geography lesson number 2.
2.
Clear? So whenever we will meet
Yes, ma'am.
next, you should have your geography books with you, with and pencil.
Yes, ma'am. Inside our
Inside
second
our,
chapter of geography.
and before I start this lesson, you read it by yourself. आप पढ़ के आइए ताकि जब when I will explain to you, it will be more clear, और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope everything is understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I end the class here only today. Next class, we are going to start with this second lesson of geography. Okay, so that's all for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.